We're here at Three Brook Farm. My name is Bobby Abraham in Chester Township. It's a 20-acre farm that's been here about 300 years. We've brought it from the 19th century to the 21st century, and the main move was the battery system as part of the solar. The most important part of this process was not knowing what this was going to be like, and I wanted to be held by the hand, so to speak. We picked Green Power, and they weren't the first company that we went to. These other companies wanted us to take on permits, getting the right documents from the power company. We didn't do any of it. I basically just gave my permission, gave an account number, took pictures of our bills, and a few months later I had full engineer plans and you guys were doing work on the building.